Hi, I'm David and welcome to another video, and today we're taking a look at the Chubbsafes Homesafe 50k key locking safe. There's a link to the product, directly to the product, on our website in the video description. So this is a range of safes produced by Chubbsafes and suitable for storing up to £4,000 in cash or up to £40,000 in valuables. So this range is available in 6 sizes. This is the size 50k. There's 2 larger sizes and there are 3 smaller sizes. So all 6 sizes are available with this key locking, like you see here. So a simple double bitted high security key lock, or alternatively with a digital keypad. In addition to the burglary resistance, these safes also have fire resistance for up to 30 minutes. We'll talk about that in a little bit. So let's have a look at the external dimensions. The height of this unit is 600mm. The width is 445mm. And the depth is 410mm. The safe weighs in at 46 kilograms. We'll look at the internal dimensions once we've got the door open. It's finished in a mottled, attractive, very dark grey, almost black finish, as you can see. And you've got the Chubbsafes logo there and our logo there. Free delivery and free installation. Have a look at the keys. As I said, you've got these double bitted security keys, and 2 are supplied. And let's go ahead and open it. Just a process of opening it to there, and then we pull the safe door and it's open. The safe uses these innovative V-shaped bolts that Chubb have come up with, which I quite like. And you've got 3 of those on the side of the door. Nice thick door, drill resistant plates covering the vulnerable parts. These V-shaped plates, bolts here, lock into these receivers on the frame. And as I back away, on the inside of the door, you've got these fixed bolts that engage in these corresponding receiver plates here. If we have a look at the inside of the safe door, we see the plates that identify its testing. We'll start with this one on the left. This is to do with its burglary resistance, and so this is certified and tested to EN 14450, and then the subcategory of that is S2, and that's where you get that rating of £4,000 in cash or £40,000 in valuables. And this is the test and certification from ECB-S, highly respected test house. On a safe you'd only see the 1 plate, but on this one, because it's also a light fire storage unit, you get this testing here, which is the same body, but the certification is EN 15659, and then it gets this LFS, so light fire storage, 30p, 30 minutes paper protection, and that's what that means, and it's the same ECB-S. Let's look at the internal dimensions. So internally, this unit is 510mm high by 355mm wide, and it has an internal depth of 281mm. 1 shelf is supplied, although you have 2 positions that you can put the shelf in. I've put it in the lower position. You can also take the shelf out completely if you didn't want it in there. The 2 higher sizes, the 2 larger ones, I believe you get 2 shelves in each of those rather than 1. But this one and all the descending safes, you just get the 1. Installation, and we are the installation experts, is done through the base or through the rear of the safe. The safe has these 2 base fixing holes. Most often a fire safe is bolted down onto the concrete floor. Looking at the back of the safe, we have these 2 blanked off fixing points where we can also, if necessary, bolt it to the wall. They're blanked off to preserve the fire resistance of the safe, but if we were to remove those blanking plates and use them, the bolt that we would put in there would also serve as the blanking plate. So what will fit in the safe? Well, I do this thing with a Coke can. I do it because I think most people know how big a Coke can is. It's hard when you're looking at something online, even in a video, to see how big it is. But this is a regular size can of fizzy drink, 330 millilitres, and I'm going to pop that in the safe and back away, just so you can get a sense of scale to a Coke can. That gives you an idea. Now popped on that top shelf an A4 folder, so you can get an idea of how many of those you'd get in there. Probably, where are we? Let's see. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 of those. The force gap folder that I put in, and as you can see, it's not going to work. The door's going to hit that, so it's going to be A4 folders only in this one. The same would be for box folders. You're not going to get those. I mean, you'd get them in if you really needed to get 1 or 2. You could do that, but you know, to have them lined up so you can read the binders, that's not going to work. I popped on the shelf this luxury watch box, and I'll back away, give you an idea. There's quite a lot of room in this safe, really. A piece of A4 paper, as you can see, it's not a problem. It's going to fit in there, no problem. So if you'd like one of these or any of the safes that we do, this is a bit about us. We are London and Home County Safes on londonsafes.co.uk. Any questions, please get in touch. We've got chats on the website, and we've got WhatsApps and all these different things. All these different ways of you getting in touch with us to ask us your questions. You know, you might be concerned about where it can be fitted, how we're going to fit it. We're happy to answer all of those questions. You can even send us photos or videos of your proposed location on WhatsApp. We've been doing this a very long time. We're very skilled at installing the safes in the most robust manner possible. On the day of installation, your safe will come with us on one of our unmarked vans, and our installer will bring the safe in and he'll install it for you properly, clean up and demonstrate how to use the safe and answer any questions that you've got. We are rated excellent on Trustpilot. If you have a look, you can look us up on Trustpilot. We're 5 stars on Google. Everyone is very, very happy with the service we provide. Thank you for watching, and get in touch with any questions.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.